Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make our own keyring storage pouch. Attach it to your keys, purse, backpack, or lanyard to use it to store your lip balm or hand sanitizer, coins, anything else you need to carry through the day. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, a fabric scrap for the side loop, iron-on interfacing, hook and loop tape, and a ring or a swivel hook. I'll add links down below of the products I'm using today. First, trim off about 1/4 inch from each side of the interfacing. Place the fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up and center the interfacing on top. Following the manufacturer's directions, fuse it to the fabric and let it cool. With the right sides of the fabric facing each other, fold the fabric in half. Finger press the fold. Fold the 2 by 2.5 inch fabric scrap in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press it to make a crease and open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges down both long sides of the strip. Open the interfacing piece of fabric back up. Fold the small strip in half to make a loop. Align the raw edges with the raw edges of the left side of the fabric 2 inches from the fold. Make sure the loop is facing in. Reclose the fabric and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Stitch around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the long side open for turning. You don't have to stitch across the fold. Clip the corners. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a sharp crease. Top stitch all the way around the piece about 1/8 inch from the outside edges, making sure to catch the opening and close it. Fold down the top edge 1 inch and press it to form a crease. Fold the bottom part of the fabric up so the edge of the fabric meets the crease. Press it to make a bottom crease. Center the stiff, crunchy side of the hook and loop tape on the inside of the top flap and stitch it in place. I like to use a glue stick to temporarily hold that hook and loop tape in place when I'm stitching it. Center the softer half of the hook and loop tape on the bottom pocket just below the top stitching line. Open up the pouch and stitch the hook and loop tape in place. Leaving the top flap open, fold the bottom pocket up to the crease. Secure the pocket by stitching the sides over the top of the previous stitching. And add the ring or swivel hook to the side loop. And just like that, you made your own handmade, homemade keyring storage pouch. See you next time with another project.